hell are you doing up here? Hey guys, so you saw the last video I had, hopefully, on cleaning the condenser coils outside. And this week we're going to be cleaning the condensate drain line inside. I had something 2 or 3 years ago, woke up 2 o'clock in the morning sweating like crazy, and it was because the drain line had clogged up and had filled the drain pan up in the attic. So it's got a float switch on it. As soon as that float switch, the water reached a certain level, it just turned all the power off to the AC. I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning sweating like crazy, and had to go up in the attic 2 o'clock in the morning to fix the drain line. So you don't want that to happen. The best thing to do is preventive maintenance. So preventive maintenance, I got 2 products here. I just went to Lowe's and got this. It's called AC line, PF AC line. This is just an AC line cleaner, condensate cleaner. I got a little short video I'll show you on me doing that. Okay, so here are the drain pipes. This one goes down to the pan. This one goes, you follow that line there, goes all the way, goes down 2 flights. I already had up there this. Last time the drain hose plugged, I used this to pump all the water out of the pan at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to put my funnel here. I'm using this AC line cleaner. And also the flow treat. So these are blue probably not supposed to be touching them. These are blue tablets that you put in your drain pan right under the coils where all the condensation collects and drips down, and then it goes from that pan into your drain line. Well, you can treat it before it even gets into your drain line with these tablets. And then you can treat the drain line itself with this. I didn't use this last year, so I'm just using this. Went upstairs, put this in. I was going to put these right underneath the condenser. I did that down here, but I didn't do it upstairs in the attic. And I tell you why. The unit was completely taped, completely sealed. I mean, I could have easily cut that tape, got in there, put them in there, and then retaped it, but I hadn't had any problems with it since I fixed it. It's completely sealed. I don't want to break the seal. So I'm just going to use this in the attic. Now down here, I've got a heat pump, and of course it's below grade. So I've got a pump that pumps the condensated water out or up and then out the house. So I'll show you me putting these flow treatment tabs in there, and where I would put this. I didn't put this in there, but it wasn't time. It's not. I'm going to wait till it's constantly running, that water's constantly flowing, then I'll put this in there. So right there at the bottom of the coil unit is where you see that these condensation lines come out. So that's where you want to put these tablets. Put them down here. And I'm going to put 5 or 6 in there. They'll treat the water before it even goes into the pump. And you can see those blue tabs down there? So the water will come off of this coil down and hit those tabs before it goes out. If I was going to put that drainer in here, if I was going to put that drain cleaner in, I would pop up one of these 2 tabs and just pour it right in here. So this pump, as you can see, here's my drain, comes out, straight down, and ties into this pump. So since we're in the basement, this pump has a clear tube and it pumps it all the way outside. Goes up through the rafters and then pumps it outside. This thing is clear. It's only this, Unit's less than a year old. So I'm going to wait till about midsummer and I'll put some of that drain cleaner in here just to clean it out. But right now, I don't think I need to. So here's my condensate line. If this was plugged, what I would do, take a vacuum cleaner, fit it right here, and suck that gunk out of there, and it will suck it out too. Then you can go inside and clean your line. Now there's three things. One of them is make sure those fins out there, the condenser, the air that flows through those coils is cleaned out, so you can get good airflow. If the airflow is blocked out there, you won't get good airflow and you won't get cool air in your house. So it's very important to do that. That condensing unit outside, the air blows through the coils to cool off the hot gas that's in those coils. So it's cooling it down before it gets to the condenser to pump it out. So you want to make sure you get good airflow to cool that down, right? So you got to clean that. Second thing is the air gets to the air handler, or the gas gets to the air handler, that refrigerant is ice cold. So it's running like this. You've got a blower that's blowing air over that very ice cold coils and out through your ductwork. Now, the byproduct of that air, hot air blowing across those cold coils is condensation. The condensation dropped down into a pan. This is where you would put those tabs, right? So before it even gets to your drain line, it's treated with this, and then it'll treat it as it goes through the pipe. So it treats the pipe as it drains. And the next step is just make sure of course all your air filters are clean, changed. I mean, I do mine every 6 weeks. You do it whenever they get dirty. Make sure you clean them. It's one of the most important things you could do, because if you get dirty air in there and that dirty air gets to those coils, it's just a bad day. You don't want that to happen, because then you got to have somebody come out probably and clean them for you. After a while, they'll just get so caked up the air conditioner won't cool anymore. So these two products, very worth it. I mean, I think this was $8.50 at Lowe's. This is 200 tabs. Now, you're supposed to use, I think, 2 tabs per ton. I put six or 8 tabs in mine down here. And I think it's a 3-ton, 2.5, 3-ton, very small unit. So this will work for 3 months. And then after 3 months, I'll just go pour a jar of this in there. So I'm good all summer. Very easy to do. The only hard thing, the worst part of it for me was getting up in the attic. Other than that, this one down here is a piece of cake. So that's it. Make sure you pre-treat. Make sure you do your proper maintenance, and you won't be hot this summer. Thanks. See you later.